Hello, my name is Jackie Hutton from Clinical Trials Ontario. In this video, you will learn how to create a Site-Specific Informed Consent Form, or ICF. A Site-Specific ICF is required when the study you are joining through CTO Stream has one or more provincially approved written ICF templates. This video will show you how to locate, download, and modify the REB-approved provincial consent templates, how to locate the documented institutional ethics requirements and/or streamlined research ethics review system administration forms for your institution. We refer to these as the DIER and SRERS administration forms. For sites that have a DIER form, we will show you how to incorporate DIER requirements into your site-specific ICF. And finally, how to upload your site-specific ICF into the CIA. During the study, if there is a change or amendment to the provincial ICF template that has been approved by the REB, you can follow the steps in this video to create a new site-specific ICF template. This video also contains important reminders for researchers submitting to OCREB. To create your site-specific ICF, you must first download the provincially approved consent template. You can find the template in one of two ways: through the Project Documents tab or through the provincial application which contains the current approved ICF. To access the Project Documents tab, click the Projects button from your Actions area or click at the very top of your projects tree. Navigate to the Project Documents tab. You can search and sort the list to locate the current provincial ICF template. Only the current approved documents for the study appear in this tab. Click the Download button to access the document. The approved provincial ICF can also be found within the provincial application that contains the current ICF, in this case the provincial initial application. Navigate to the Informed Consent Form section. You can download the ICF directly from within the application. Alternatively, you can download the provincial ICF template from the Documents tab under the project tree. Now that the provincially approved ICF has been downloaded, you can begin adding your site-specific changes to the document. Your institution may have specific DIER requirements for the consent form that are listed on the DIER form for your site. The DIER and SRERS administration forms can be found at ctontario.ca under the Participating Sites section. Go to Streamline and Ethics Review and scroll down to the Participating Sites section. If your site's form is not posted, please send an email to streamline@ctontario.ca and we will send you a copy. This is what a provincial informed consent form might look like. The yellow highlighted text within the provincial ICF is instructional text for you to follow when creating your site ICF and should be deleted. Add your site-specific logo or letterhead and the emergency contact number on page 1. Add the site-specific contact information in the contact section. The contact for someone not involved in the study should be the REB of record. If your site has DIER requirements, you must add them now. This is what a DIER form might look like. For example, you may need to change the language in the confidentiality section or add a space for the participant to initial at the bottom of each page. No other changes should be made to the provincial template. Make sure you save a track change and clean version of the site-specific ICF before you upload it into the CIA. To upload your ICF, click on the CIA in the project tree. Navigate to the Informed Consent Information section. Upload the tracked and clean ICFs directly into the designated questions. Revise the document name, version dates, or numbers as needed. Your site-specific ICF has now been properly uploaded into the Centre initial application. During the study, if a new provincial ICF template is approved, you must follow the steps outlined in this video to create your revised site-specific ICF. That is, download the new REB-approved provincial ICF template, create your new site-specific ICF, apply your site-specific changes including any DIERs directly on the new provincial ICF template, upload a track changes and clean version of your new site-specific ICF into the Centre Amendment form, and submit to the REB for review and approval. Note, steps 3 and 4 are not required for studies reviewed by OCREB. For studies reviewed by OCREB, only those sites which have consent form DIERs will upload their site-specific ICF into the CIA to allow for CTO screening of the DIERs. All other OCREB sites will upload their OCREB consent form memo into the CIA in lieu of their ICF. When a new provincial ICF is approved, follow the steps in this video to create the new site-specific ICF. Consult the OCREB's guidance for pre-approval administration changes to determine if your site-specific ICF needs to be submitted for approval by OCREB. Please contact OCREB if you have any questions about the processes. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about CTO Stream or are having technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a Helpdesk ticket. For more CTO Stream video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets, visit ctontario.ca.